If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Instacart, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Open the Instacart app or website. Start by launching the Instacart app on your mobile device or visiting the Instacart website on your computer. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings, usually found in the menu or profile section. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the account settings, look for the security or privacy section where two-factor authentication options are available. Click on it to access your current settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to disable two-factor authentication. You may need to verify your identity through an email or SMS code to proceed with this step. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling it, you can re-enable two-factor authentication. Choose your preferred method, SMS or authentication app, and follow the instructions to set it up again. By following these steps, you can successfully reset two-factor authentication on your Instacart account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Instacart's customer support for further assistance.